Before we start, take a moment to get a feel for your knitting. Hold the needle with the stitches and gently move the stitches back and forth a few times. This helps you connect with your project. Let's begin by holding the needles. I hold the needle with stitches in my left hand. You can hold it in front of your arm, but I learned from my Polish grandma to hold it tucked under my arm. This technique offers more comfort when working with long knitting needles. Now, let's talk about holding the yarn. In the Continental style, which I use, I keep the yarn in my left hand, wrapping it around my index finger for tension control. This is different from the English style, where the yarn is held in the right side. You can wrap the yarn around your index finger once or twice and secure it with your little finger. Your thumb and middle finger will keep the needle steady. Play with it several times, don't rush. It's important to find your own style. Now, pick up the working needle in your right hand. Let's get started. Keep the yarn behind the left needle. Insert the working needle into the first stitch from left to right. Wrap the yarn from top to bottom, pull the loop through, and slip the old loop off the needle. Now let's repeat. Insert the needle, wrap the yarn, pull through, and slip off the stitch. Take a look at the beautiful stitch you've just made. Now, if we wrap the yarn from bottom to top, you'll notice the stitch gets twisted. In this project, we want to avoid twisted stitches. So, always wrap the yarn top to bottom for uniform stitches. Knit a few more stitches and take a look at them. The front leg of each stitch sits on the right side on the needle. If you wrap the yarn bottom to top, the front leg will appear on the left, creating twisted stitches. Let's take a moment to check your progress. In front, you'll see the V-shaped knit stitches, while the back shows the loops you've created. On the left needle, you have the loops from the previous row, ready for the next. Does that make sense? If so, you're starting to really understand the basics of knitting. Now, go ahead and knit this row to the end, keeping that same rhythm and consistency. In the next video, I'll show you how to knit the first stitch of a row to create a neat edge, so stay tuned.